Good morning, everybody, and welcome to today's edition of Toggle's Daily Video Insights. Today, we're going to take a look at why there could be some positive seasonal factors impacting the price of Phillips 66. Probably many of you, at least those who look at a stock like this, would have been noticing what's been going on in the crude oil market and the recent rise and all of the debates about increasing or not increasing production. Well, anyway, today we're going to take a look at how, in addition to all these factors, there might just be some positive drivers that could power the Phillips stock higher. So I'm going to click on the inside article here so we can take a look at a little bit more detail as to what's going on. Right away, you can notice that there have been 10 similar occasions that Toggle was able to analyze. So that's a good sign because we have enough data to at least have some meaningful observations about what typically happens to this stock around this time of the year. And it should propel the stock to about 85.49 from 82.70. Now, of course, somebody might say, hold on a second, 3%. That's not really a big deal. But remember that what Toggle is trying to do is highlight any one positive driver, not the single reason to buy a particular stock. So this is on top of all of the other reasons you may already have for buying this stock, or potentially, if you don't like it, is just one bit of devil's advocacy to kind of tell you, hey, you know what, maybe this is not the time to be overly bearish on this particular stock. Now, of course, what you would like to see is the price not to go below this red line here. And if we look at why it might move, well, here we can just basically see what the historical performance was. And you can see that actually it was quite reliably higher over this particular horizon, and in some cases quite a bit over 3%. Now, to take that and see that more clearly, you can look at this chart. This is the actual returns versus that you've seen in the past when the system also highlighted positive seasonality. As you can see, actually, while yes, you did get some outcomes that were around 3%, there have been a few that were 6%, even over 8%. So again, it's a driver that historically seems to have been quite reliable as an additional contributor to moving the stock higher. So much for Phillips 66 today. In the daily brief, we also discuss the crude oil market in a little bit more detail. So take a look. It should already be in your mailboxes. If it isn't, you can sign up on toggle.global. It's part of the trial for Toggle Copilot, and then you'll be receiving a daily dose of fresh and relevant market content. Otherwise, if you'd like to see more of these videos, just like this video or subscribe to our YouTube channel. We do these every market trading day. Our main mission is to really break down the barrier that exists between the data and individual investors and try to help you extract as much insight from all of the data that seems to be just lying around there, not being used. Thanks for your attention, and we'll see you again on Tuesday.